Shalom. Hey family, welcome back to Ngolu. Yes family, today we back to do some recipe. For the recipe for today, we're doing popsicle for the kid. Why guys? Okay, les femmes de valeur, welcome back. Les femmes de valeur. Lelo toye kosala popsicle pona banana biso. Pona popsicle na biso, tozana besoin ya strawberry, banana and manga na bitabe. Wana eza bakopo na biso ya popsicle na sombi yango na store. Ok, yango wana tokomi kosokola ba toche vinaigre poto sokola ba fruit na biso. Ok, tosisi kosokola ba fruit na biso. Tozo sopa mai, sikoyo tosopi mai na biso na ba fruit na biso poto sokola yango lisusu to kata po vinaigre to cheki na kata. Ok les femmes de valeur, yes les mamans, to sokoli ba fruit na biso très bien, to bongisi yango, tozo sokola yango, sikoyo to silisi ko sokola ba fruit na biso ekomi na to kati ba fruit na biso yango neza ya kokata, tozo cha yango na blender na biso po to blender yango. Ok les femmes de valeur, now okay family, now it's time to blender our fruit. Yes guys, we blender our fruit. Yeah, we put that to the blender to blend that. Okay, yes guys, we blender our fruit. Yes, we do it. Ok les femmes de valeur, siko tozo blender ba fruit na biso yango tozo blender to sisi ko blender siko to tikaki some fruit we put inside to tikaki ba fruit na biso ndam to kocha na kati avant to cha oyo to blender wana yango wana tozo cha ba fruit na biso. Yeah, yes les mamans, to cha ba fruit na biso sikoyo ekomi tango tozo cha ya biso auto blend to salaki to nikaki. Okay les femmes de valeur, we put some fruits and now we put that smoothing inside. Okay guys, yes family, we putting there to sisi kota yango sikoyo to finiki yango tozo tika yango na fridge. Ok les femmes de valeur, tozo tika yango na fridge for overnight. Okay, to silisi yango wana the finished look. Yes guys, we do popsicle for the kid. Look at that. You guys enjoy and tell me what you guys think. And please guys, don't forget to comment, subscribe and share. God bless you. God bless us. We see you to the next recipe. Yes les femmes de valeur, wana eza popsicle ya banana biso. Bobo sanate ko s'abonner, ko commenter, ko like. God bless you. Bye.